Alright then guys, it's my pics here again. I'm out and about. I've got a new device. I'll just show you. Yeah, that's it. Little stabilizer, cheap and cheerful, but we'll see how it goes. I'm just going to do the whole video with this, with my phone, attach the phone onto my little attachment here, look, and then we'll see how it goes. Arrived today, so that's what I was doing. I'm at Forge Dam Park. Never been here before, so I'm assuming the dam is not too far away. Otherwise I've got a bit of walking to do. So yeah, and also because my computer has died, my laptop's gone, all the editing will be done on my mobile phone. So unfortunately that is what is going to be happening today. And I'll try and get some pictures done, but what I've got to do is, because my wife, she's only got like a small laptop and not enough space to download Lightroom on. When I take, and if I take some pictures, because it's spit with rain, I'll try and take some pictures with the Canon 400D and then transfer them onto her computer and then onto my mobile phone and try and edit them that way, hopefully. Alright then guys, I shall see you in a bit, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please hit the like button, and if you're new around here and you like what you saw, why don't you consider hitting that and smash that big red button. Alright then guys, I'll see you in a bit. Bye!
Miles to the sea, to the freeway lately. Hard to smile when I'm with me, when I'm with me lately. 'Cause I can feel so damn weak with just a drop of a dime. She says I self-medicate when I've got too much on my mind. How about one more time? Just one more time. Just one more time.
Alright then guys, I'm back in car now. I'm knackered. I just walked up a little hill. Oh dear, I've got to get fit this year. Yeah, just a short video. When I got down there, first time I've ever been, never been before. It's like a cafe down there. Also like a bit of a lake with some reefs in it, where it all went in a like a circle. You got a ton of ducks, and like a small like waterfall, which you see in the video. I didn't really take a picture of that. I was just concentrating more on ducks. I'll come back out because it started raining, but now the sun has come out now. That sounds low, isn't it? Well, I got loads of photographs anyway, so. Alright, there you go. Like I said, my laptop's died, so hopefully I can edit most of them photos. People's just looking in my car while I'm talking to a phone. Yeah, so hopefully I can transfer, like I said earlier, transfer my photographs over to my wife's computer and transfer them onto my phone so I can do a bit of editing if they need editing. So there you go. I think I got some decent shots of some ducks, so I hope you'll enjoy that. If any decent ones come out, I'll post them at the end of this video. You'll also be able to see a lot more on my Instagram and also on my Facebook page. If you want to go and have a look at those, that's absolutely awesome. All the links are on the About page on my YouTube channel, so please do go and check them out if you want to. That'd be absolutely awesome. Anyway, that's me done, guys. I shall see you in the next one. I will get paddly goes done. It's just not yet. The weather's pants. Alrighty guys, I'll see you later. Bye.
Hard miles to the sea, to the freeway lately. Hard to smile when I'm with me.